everyone, just a quick video on Gel Essentials Natural Pink Sculpting Gel. We've already prepped the nail, so we're just going to dip our brush into the gel, get a tiny amount onto the brush and then brush it straight onto the nail. This is just to create a wetting layer, so work it into the nail, it helps it to bond. Then pick up your larger bead. As you can see from the consistency of this gorgeous gel, it's lovely and thick, but it's not stringy. Roll it off the brush onto the nail. We're using our oval gel brush because it holds more gel. And then angle your brush to create your apex. And then slowly work down the nail, and then with the very tip of the brush just drag it down to the bottom. And then again with the tip of the brush just create your shape. This gel won't run or slump, so you've got endless working time with it. And when you remove your brush, do it at the edge so you don't create a dip. We're just refining the upper arch. As you can see from the left hand side, this gel's not running, it's staying exactly where you put it. So you've got lots and lots of time to get your shape right. And then just straighten off your side walls. This is now ready for curing, LED 90 seconds or UV 2 minutes. You can do all 5 nails before curing because that nail won't move until you cure it. Remove your form, and as you can see it needs very little filing. This gel is absolutely beautiful to file. It's really quick. We're using our zebra wide just to refine the shape. And then finishing off with my absolute favourite file of all time ever, our premium buffer. And then once you've cleaned the nail, apply your top coat. You can either use Gel Essentials High Gloss Top Coat or Gel Essentials No Wipe Top Coat. We're using No Wipe. And then cure for 90 seconds. And that's the completed nail. Super strong, feels really light on the nail. You can use it on tips, on forms, or as a natural nail overlay. And as you can see, because it doesn't slump, you can create lovely shape with it. All products are on our website, gelessentials.co.uk. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.